Picture this. I'm sure you guys can relate. So you're at work, you're doing errands, and then it hits you that you have 10 minutes to get ready for a holiday party, gathering, luncheon, and you're not prepared, glam-wise. I love red lipstick look as much as anyone else, and it does scream out holiday magic, but for me personally, it takes me a while to get my red lipstick application just right. I need something faster and quicker. I'd like to share with you a quick trick that I use to get ready fast for those festivities, and it doesn't matter what my current makeup look is, whether I'm wearing nude lips or pink or even red, it works for anything. Okay guys, let's let the holiday magic begin. Here we go. That's right, glitter. Now, I've seen the glitter tutorials and it can be very over the top. I mean, literally, your lips can look like a disco ball, and that's really a cool look, and it, you know, for the right occasion, I'm sure it looks fantastic, but for me, it's a little bit over the top. This is going to be a much, much more subtle take on the glitter lips. I'd like to show you how I use this little trick with a variety of different lip combinations. I'll start off with what I'm wearing right now. Currently, I have on MAC's lip pencil in Spice, combined with Bobbi Brown's lipstick in nude pink. This does seem like a little bit of a peculiar combination, but I've been experimenting with this combination for a while now, and I think it looks quite nice. The glitter comes in a variety of different colors. I only have myself gold and pink, but they come in silvers, bronzes, and you can play around with combinations with your lipstick, whatever, you know, works best for you. It's important to note here that you want to make sure that you choose a glitter that is specifically made for use on the face and lips. The ones that I currently have are from MAC, and it specifically states on their website that these can be used all over the face, including the lips. A lot of the recommendation for applying it is to use some sort of lip gloss, like an adhesive, and then use a brush and paint on the glitter. That's not the way I'm doing it because I'm only applying a very little amount. In addition, when you do the base of a gloss, you end up with a completely glossy lip look, and that's not the look I'm looking for. I kind of like to have the matte look, but just with the littlest bit of glitter. And in my experience, with the amount of glitter I put on, it does stick to my lipstick and stays on for the entire festive party. The way I apply it is I just put a very small amount in the center of my bottom lip and a little bit on the center of the top lip. I press it together, and that's it. I don't necessarily apply it symmetrically. I kind of feel that just having it in the center adds some dimension to my lips, and I like that look. What do you think, Barry? Come here. Come here, Barry. Give me your Polly. I think I'm gonna have to take a break before actually applying glitter to my lips. My fingers are getting a bit gooey. There you go, Barry. Go get your Bolly. For this color that I'm wearing right now with the Bobbi Brown nude pink, I think I'm going to use my pink glitter. I think that would look nice. I start by shaking my glitter jar just to get enough in the lid, and I just use the lid to apply it. One of these jars of glitter will literally last forever. At least for me it does. So here's what I have inside of the lid, and I'm just going to dip my finger in there. And really, that's about as much glitter as I plan on using. Looking at that, I think I could actually put more than that. That's it. I like that. It just adds a little bit of festive glamour without being over the top. And you literally just need to bring your little glitter jar in your purse. You're ready to go when someone says, "Party time! Secret Santa's ready to go." So are you. You've got this in your purse, and I like the look. This next look is going to be more of a contrast. I've switched out my lipstick, and I might still have some pink glitter on. It does have staying power. But the lipstick I have on now is Lancôme Ooh La La, and the liner I used was MAC Lip Pencil in Brick. I'm going to pair this with the gold glitter, which will be a little bit more dramatic look than the previous one. So let's give it a try. I shook it into the lid the same way that I did before, and I'm just going to apply it the same way that I did the pink glitter. I suppose we can always add more, and that's a good thing, rather than putting too much on right away. I like that. As I did with the pink, I think I'll just give it a try if I apply a little more. This is actually quite a bit more. I did dip my finger into the glitter this time rather than the lid. The lid didn't seem to be getting enough on it.
Santa, won't you forget about it, Santa? I won't forgive you for it, Santa. Won't you forget about it?
I like it. I think it's fun. And what I like the most about it is the convenience. You can just have the glitter ready to go for the festive party. And sometimes I'm not in the mood that I want to have the full lip gloss look. And I like that you can use this on any lip color that you've been wearing during that day. And that's it. I think it's a great idea. You can go from whatever you're doing and add a little sparkle glam within seconds. No need for an entire new makeup look. You're good to go. I would love to hear from you guys as to, the combinations that you used with different colors of glitter, be it silver or bronze or all kinds of colors out there. I'm sure you'll find something just right for you. Have a great day.